Good morning, students. Today I will start with class 8th, chapter number 23. The name of chapter is probability. So first of all, what is probability? To understand the concept, first of all, I would like to explain some terms. First term is experiment. So what is a experiment? Experiment, we can say it is any event like other events. So experiment is an event, or we can say it is a chance from which we can here can be outcomes. For example, Rajay, if we are rolling a dice means the rolling dice which contain number 1 2 3 4 5 6, and that is used to play for games like Ludo or anything. So here when we roll the dice, it is known as experiment, and outcome will come, any number can display on the dice. For example, here number 2 displayed, so this we can say it 2 is the outcome. मीन्स हमने कोई एक्सपेरिमेंट किया, उसकी कोई आउटकम आ गई, ठीक है, कोई भी इवेंट की हमने डाइस को रोल किया, दैट इज़ नोन एज एक्सपेरिमेंट, और 2 नंबर आ गया, दैट विल बी आउटकम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ मैनी आउटकम्स कैन कम, so there will be the probability of coming other outcomes also. Like here a dice contain number 1 2 3 4 5 6, so number of outcomes will be is equal to 6, because here numbers are 6, so number of possible outcomes are 6. So here in your book this table is given, means the probability can have the values from 0 to 1, means when the value of your probability means chance to happen, probability means chance to happen, or number of outcomes possible from the experiment. If nothing can happen, so possibility will be 0, means probability will be 0. If anything is fixed to happen, then its probability will be 1. Means suppose today there are some clouds in the sky, so definitely rain will come, so its possibility will be 1. So we can say कि 100% sure कि today rain will come, so probability will be 1. If 50-50 probability means 50% possibility is to कि 50% possibility है कि बारिश आ भी सकती है, नहीं भी आ सकती, so 50-50 means half of chance, 1/2 1/2. If answer is less than 50-50, so somewhat unlikely, कुछ पॉसिबिलिटी है समथिंग, एंड वेरी अनलाइकली मीन्स नहीं हो सकता. देन इफ योर आंसर इज ग्रेटर देन 1/2 मीन्स पॉसिबिलिटी इज मोर देन 50%, सो रेदर प्रोबेबल, तो कुछ हो सकता है 60% चांसेस और 70% चांसेस टू कम द रेन, एंड वेरी लाइकली मीन्स it is closer to the surety, means some way we can say कि 80% or 90% chances to come the rain, then your event possible outcome will be very likely. Then equally likely outcomes. Equally likely means if any experiment have possibly 2 outcomes, then we can say कि 50-50% chance is there for two outcomes, that is known as equally likely outcomes. For example, if we toss a coin, head can come, tail can come. So possibility or probability of you are tossing coin, head can be on the upper side or tail can be on the upper side. So half is the chance. Here is written 1/2. 1/2 means half or 0.5. Or in another way you can say कि if probability is value is half, then means half chance can be there. So your probability will be equally likely outcomes. So how will you calculate the probability? So probability of event is equal to total number of outcomes, which event x, means any event say x happens, total number of outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. For example, here we will take the example of this dice. Suppose 2 has come on the dice. So 2 is one number, so its probability is equal to 1 and total number of outcomes are 6. So its possibility or probability will be 1/6, probability of 2. Similarly, probability of 3 will be 1/6, probability of 4 1/6. So every number will get equal possibility to come on the upper side. I think concept is clear to you. Then independent events. Two events are said to be independent if they can't affect each other. Means अगर एक इवेंट हो रही है, चाहे 2 इवेंट्स दोनों इकट्ठी हो रही हैं, तो दूसरे के एक का दूसरे के ऊपर कोई असर नहीं हो रहा, देन वी विल से इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट. अगर वो एक दूसरे पे डिपेंड करती हैं, देन दे विल से डिपेंडेंट इवेंट्स. सपोज हेयर इन योर बुक 2 bags are given. Here 3 balls are red and 3 are black. So possibility of coming, when we will take out any ball from this bag, then the possibility of coming red and black ball is same. Means रेड भी बाहर आ सकती है, ब्लैक भी बाहर आ सकती है, दोनों की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है? सेम. दे आर, नाउ वी विल से कि दीज आर इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट्स. सो हेयर इन द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, हेयर 3 आर रेड, 2 आर ब्लैक. सो ब्लैक number of black balls are less, so most of probability of red. So the here black is number of balls are more, black are more, here are red are less. Then we will take if we will take any ball from this bag, then these two are dependent. Means इसमें से possibility है black की ज़्यादा आने की, इसमें कम है. So these are not independent, these two are dependent. I think concept is clear to you. So then random experiment. Random means free experiment means कुछ भी आप कहीं पे भी कुछ भी करते हो. For example, you are playing cards. कार्ड जो ताश के पत्ते होते हैं आपके, ठीक है. When you will shuffle it, आपने कोई भी उसमें से एक पत्ता खींचोगे, वो कोई भी हो सकता है. So this type of event is known as random experiment. I think concept is clear to you. So Raji, in this chapter there is only one exercise. This is very very easy. You just need to go through this table. Here, when 2 normal dice are thrown, the possible combination of 2 numbers on the 2 dice are, means ये दोनों dice हैं, इनको हमने रोल करके फेंका है। सपोज इस पे नंबर 6 आ गया, इसमें क्लियर नहीं है, सपोज वी आर टेकिंग 3, तो इसमें 6 आ गया, इसमें 3, तो दिस इज कंसिडर एज फर्स्ट डाइस, दिस विल बी सेकेंड डाइस। सो 1 कुछ भी आ सकता है राजे, इस पे 1 भी आ सकता है, इस पे 2 आ सकता है। सो हेयर आर पॉसिबल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स। फर्स्ट डाइस पे 1 आ गया, दूसरी पे भी 1 आ सकता है, फर्स्ट पे 1 आ गया, दूसरी पे 2, फर्स्ट पे 1, 3, सेम 4, 5, और इसमें हमने 1 फर्स्ट के लिए कंसिडर किया। अगर 2 आ गया फर्स्ट डाइस पे, यहाँ पे नंबर 2 आ गया, और दूसरी डाइस पे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, इस तरह कम्बिनेशन बन गया। सिमिलरली फर्स्ट डाइस पे 3 कंसीडर कर लो, बाकी डाइस पे 1, 2, 6, फिर 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5। सो लाइक हेयर टोटल नंबर ऑफ possible outcomes are 36. So question can be like this कि when we roll 2 dice on what is the probability of coming 3 on 1 dice or 3 on second dice. So here is possible outcome is 1. So here is 3 on first dice and 3 on second dice. So now possible outcome is 1. So we will take 1, probability will be 1 and total number of outcomes are 36. So 1 upon 36 is the answer. Similarly question can come कि what is the probability when we roll 2 dice and the sum of number is 5. सम ऑफ नंबर इज 5 मीन्स 1 डाइस पे 3 आ गया, दूसरी डाइस पे 2 आ सकता है। जब फर्स्ट डाइस पे 2 आ गया, सेकंड 1 पे 3 आ गया, दोनों को प्लस करके 5। जब 1 पे फर्स्ट डाइस पे 1 आ गया, सेकंड पे 4, जब फर्स्ट पे 4 आ गया, नेक्स्ट में 1। और कौन सा कम्बिनेशन पॉसिबल है? 3, 2, 1, 4 एंड any other possible combination. Suppose let us consider कि only these 4 outcomes are possible. So possible outcomes, then we will write possible outcomes is equal to 4 and total number of outcomes we already count. Total outcomes is equal to 36. Then probability of getting 5 will be 4 upon 36. Here we can cancel also this. 4 1s are 4, 9 4s are 36. So 1 upon 9 is the answer. I think concept is clear to you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.